Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tools for all your gardening needs. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best plant moisture meters. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these devices will help you keep your plants happy and healthy. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So, let's get started. Starting off our list is the XLUX soil moisture meter. Seasoned gardeners and beginners alike will appreciate the simplicity of this moisture meter. Since no batteries or calibrations are required, it's ready to work immediately out of the box. The meter boasts a 26 centimeter probe. 40 centimeters is also available for a higher cost for indoor and outdoor use. To use, simply insert the probe into the soil, and you'll see an automatic reading on the dial. The easy-to-read dial has a 1 to 10 visual scale, and the color coding makes it easy to see at a glance. Red means dry, green means moist, and blue means wet. While this tool has no additional features, we appreciate that the probe is durably built. This moisture meter is our top pick because it's readily available, affordable, and easy to use. Next up, we have the Censida soil moisture meter. Your plants will thank you when you purchase this wallet-friendly moisture meter. This affordable and trusty gadget doesn't require batteries or calibration, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert the probe into your plant's soil, and the easy-to-read moisture range dial will inform you about your plant's moisture. Like our best overall pick, it uses a visual scale that ranges from 1 to 10. Suitable for indoor or outdoor use, the only drawback to this meter is the probe is a bit shorter than others. At 7.6 inches, it may not fit into huge, oversized potted plants or deep within the soil of outdoor plants. However, for small house plants and potted plants, it's the best moisture meter for those on a budget. Moving on to our third pick, the WANFEI Plant Monitor Soil Test Kit. Spending more on a plant moisture meter will give you more functionality. This complete soil test kit uses a probe and Bluetooth connection to inform plant owners of their plant's moisture, light, nutrients, and temperature reading. To view the data, you'll have to download the accompanying app, which also has a database of over 6,000 plants to help you care for your plants. The basic set comes with only one probe, but it is possible to set up your app to multiple probes so you can monitor several plants at once. You should note that the probe is on the shorter side, only 5.2 inches. Additionally, it's not instant read. You'll always need the app on your phone or another device to monitor and read the measurements. Our fourth pick is the Gouevn moisture meter. For those looking for an easy-to-read display, the Hemder 4-in-1 soil moisture meter is the best plant moisture meter for you. The screen displays soil moisture, and you can also measure soil pH, temperature, and light levels. The LCD display screen makes it a cinch to read indoors or outside, in low light in the garden, or at awkward angles if you're reaching under or around a plant or below big leaves. Simply place the probe about 4 inches into the soil and wait 10 seconds for an accurate reading to be displayed on the screen. The pH and temperature must be toggled between the two display settings, but the light and moisture data will always be displayed. Choose between Fahrenheit or Celsius for the temperature reading or easily switch between the two. Batteries are not included, but this moisture meter will alert you when you're at a low battery level. Last but certainly not least, we have the Kensizer soil tester. Your outdoor garden and indoor plants will thank you for investing in this multi-purpose tool. This two-probed gadget easily and effectively measures soil moisture, pH, and sunlight levels. A 3-part display table on the top of the double probe is relatively easy to read and intuitive to use. While all 3 factors are easy to measure, you'll have to do one at a time. A simple toggle switch on the meter moves between each. We appreciate that the 7-inch probe is big enough for larger outdoor plants, and with the 3 readings, you'll get a complete picture of the health and status of all of your plants. The brand recommends that the probe be inserted 2 to 4 inches into the soil near your plants, so it may not be the best plant moisture meter for smaller indoor potted plants. So there you have it, the top 5 best plant moisture meters. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and where to purchase these great products. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and reviews. Happy gardening, and see you next time.